comment. If you have anything to say, hit that subscribe button, guys. We got shows coming out 3 days
It'll
a
tell
week.
you where to
You
get
don't
you
want
a
to miss
proper
out on our full
consultation.
EPs.
For sure.
Stay higher.
If that's an illegal maneuver, it's a good strategy though. Police watching, they finna go arrest his ass.
Yeah. Alright, stop the show. Because I don't know what the real one is anymore, and what the fake one is anymore, and where this cut came from, and to verify this cut, I'm gonna do some gangster shit from now on. If I don't know where the cut came from, and I don't know what pheno it is, that shit is getting my name slapped on it, because I'm Beast Coast Grower 420, motherfucker. I could do whatever I want to. So from now on, when you see Beast Coast cut of whatever I say it is, it's because it's the Beast Coast cut of whatever I said it is. Who gonna change it? Who gonna do something about it? Okay, continue the show. I see him clocking. Yeah.
Boris Production.
I see him clocking, they just trying to watch how I make it. One of a kind, so it ain't no mistaking. Music on slapping, this shit ain't outdated. Said fuck all the rules, if you make it, I'll break it. Full steam ahead, I ain't down with no pacing. Whipping the booth and come out with that Cajun. Visual, you see it clear like it's LASIK. If shit don't work out, then it's back to the base. See him clocking, they just trying to watch how I make it. One of a
Alright,
kind,
now I
so
had to
it
hit
ain't
up
no
the big
mistaking.
homies
Music
and
on
some
slapping, this shit ain't
review
outdated.
content. I know they got something for you. Yeah, we over here talking this shit, King. Talk that shit, bruh. Shout out to the homie Piff. Good to see you. How you doing? We go check out the Great Table podcast that night. Yeah, go ahead, find that page, the Great Table podcast, and then be ready to link up with later on. Hey, shout out to the big homie Piff. They always come up with some good ass raps for motherfucking videos too. Shout out to East Coast. Y'all know go check them out tonight on the podcast. Yeah, this is where we get it from, right? Shout out to that bro gang. Shout out to the Coke exhibitor. Appreciate you stopping by.
Yeah. So like Fox Farms though, like I noticed like so if you're going to plant some Fox Farms Ocean Forest,